In today's world, where convenience often trumps nutrition, it's easy to fall into the trap of junk food. Some foods are best left as occasional indulgences rather than regular staples in our diets. Here's a look at a few of those items that deserve their reputation as junk. First up, we have potato chips. These crunchy snacks are notorious for being high in calories, unhealthy fats, and sodium, making them a tempting but unwise choice for regular consumption. Next, consider sugary cereals. While they might seem like a quick breakfast option, they often pack a hefty dose of sugar and offer little fiber, leaving you hungry soon after. Then there's soda, the bubbly beverage filled with added sugars and empty calories, which can lead to weight gain and other health issues. Pair that with candy bars, which are typically loaded with sugar and unhealthy fats, and you've got a recipe for nutritional disaster. Fast food burgers are another culprit. While they may satisfy a craving, they come with high calories, unhealthy fats, and a sodium overload, lacking the nutrients your body truly needs. Frozen pizzas may be a convenient meal, but many are filled with preservatives and unhealthy fats, making them less than ideal for your health. Let's not forget processed meats like hot dogs and deli meats. These items often contain high levels of sodium and preservatives, contributing to health risks. And who could resist donuts? Unfortunately, they are high in sugar and unhealthy fats, offering little in terms of nutrition. When it comes to desserts, ice cream is a classic, but its high sugar and saturated fat content can quickly add up. Lastly, we have packaged snack cakes, which are loaded with sugar, unhealthy fats, and preservatives that do little to support your well-being. While it's okay to treat yourself every now and then, it's wise to keep these foods in moderation. Opting for whole, unprocessed foods will not only nourish your body but also help you maintain a healthier lifestyle. Remember, the best choices are often those that support your health in the long run.